Dua with action. So this is what I'm trying to do to help my family to get out from Gaza. So here's my friend who's trying to help me to prepare this letter from my father to send it to Senator Robin Padilla. So here's the day 2, going to his house. Together we're going to Manila, inshallah. Okay. Punta tayo dun, di ba? So ito, we're going to print now more papers. So he printed many papers that we are going to send to almost 7 embassies, inshallah. So first time natin makapunta na Senate dito at may mga nag-rally. So first action, we went to the Senate office to send this to Senator Robin Padilla. So alhamdulillah, nakapasok na tayo. Akala mo, tawag dito,
Wala tayong
akala mo border ng Egypt embassy sa papuntang Israel, Palestine.
Walang backup to sarili.
Kahit kasama na namin si Queen, kilala namin siya, hindi pa rin namin binigay. Diretso talaga sa papaya sa office. So alhamdulillah, success. Receiving letter. Punta lang tayo, Palestine Embassy, inshallah. Tanghalian muna tayo.
Puti.
So we didn't reach the embassy, it was already too late. So we're going back the next day. So nakarating din tayo sa embassy ng Palestine, pero hindi na tayo naka-abort. Balikan tayo bukas. Para ka din na sa ibang bansa, ang ganda oh. So traffic, may mga pinuntahan pa tayo. Breakfast muna. Thank you. So they said the ambassador was not here, he's in Jordan, so he will come back September. So ngayon naman, Malaysian Embassy. Ito yung malapit dito sa Saudi Embassy. Pupuntahan din natin, may sulat din tayo. Yung Qatar at Jordan Embassy medyo malayo. So I hope you can help my father, inshallah. Hope you can watch this video. So alhamdulillah, tapos na kami sa Saudi Embassy. Bawal mag-picture doon. Pati ba naman sa Pilipinas, doon maintindihan natin mahigpit, pero kahit saan talaga sila, mahigpit talaga. Saka sila yung mahigpit na embassy oh. May aso pa, may K9, may bawal mag-picture video. So I hope ma-receive nyo. So alhamdulillah, the next day someone replied from the message that we sent to the Senator office of Robin Padilla, the friend of Samira Gotok. So we are going to meet her now. So yan, sinamahan tayo ng mga kasama natin, Firdaus. Day 3, pangatlong araw. Yeah.
Details of Guided Haven later. And this is my husband.
So while having meeting, she became emotional because she remembered her father when she imagined the situation of my father. And after 1 year since the last time I video called my father, and now I almost cannot recognize him when I see his face. He lost 55 kg from his weight. So after our discussion plan what to do, we met one of her friend, American Muslim, living in Makati, and he could help us, inshallah. So the next day we went back to Manila again, and we visit one of our Chinese friends who's going to give away bags for charity, and we took some of the bags to National Commission on Muslim Filipinos.
Oh,
Inshallah.
makikita kita lang sa vlog mo.
Ngayon makikita yung sarili yung okay lang.
Tapos kami kay si Chief Ali na lang.
Day 5. Day 4, day 5. So alhamdulillah, after 1 hour mahigit, almost 1 hour and a half waiting. So after 1 week, when we receive our letter from NCMF, ayan, siya na-meet natin dito. We rush it to head DFA. And we're expecting while submitting this paper, we can meet personally the head of this office to explain to them clearly about the plan how to help my father to get out from Gaza. But it disappoints us. We are just waiting now when they will reply. Hope we can have a meeting with them. موطني